Guys, how are you? Today we are going to discuss our next 80 best question, and they are basically from the Dravyaguna paper 2. So let's start our discussion, and our first question is Shishu Bheshajam is a synonym of, and the right answer is Ativisha. You have to comment who is the drug that is known as Akshi Bheshajam. So Akshi Bheshajam is known as synonym of which drug? You have to comment. Next our question is Dioxanin is present in, so out of this option it is present in Gokshura, and comment one another drug that is having the same phytochemical. Third question is Karshapala is known as, so Karshapala is actually synonym of the Vibhitiki. Match the statement from A to D and select the correct option. So Kapi Kachu is having a L-dopa and the botanical name is the Mucuna prurens. B is Ashoka. Ashoka is a Serica Asoka, so it is having quercetins. And C is Nimba. Nimba is actually having one of the synonym that is a Hingu niriasam. And Shallaki is having a botanical name Boswellia serrata. It's having one of the phytochemical that is beta boswellic acid. So right answer is your B option. Next question is match the Agre karma of the following. So Trivrit is having a Sukha Virejna karma. When we match with A with the 3, we get 2 options. Next, Haritaki is actually Anulomna, and you already studied in your first paper that Anulomna karma is having an example of Haritaki according to Sharangdara Samhita. So right answer, and here you can select here, from here onward you can get your right answer. Next question is match the following Dravya with its source. So now we have to match it with their source. So first is Jati Phala. Jati Phala is actually, out of this we have to select. And then second is Kulatha, then Sairika and Patha. So Jati Phala is your Myristica fragrance. So first ka ho jayega third. Kulatha is Dolichosis biflorus. This is for second. And Sairika is Barlaria priontis. Patha is Susan Peleus Perrier. So these are the right answer, and out of this B is the right option. Kundru would refer to the following Dravya. So Kundru actually the Niryas of the Shallaki. So right answer will be the option D. Ashwagandha is a substitute for. So Ashwagandha is actually a substitute for two drug that is comes in the Ashtavarga, Kakoli and Shir Kakoli. Ephedrine is found in Bala, and it's very important question. Now you have to comment one drug that is having the same phytochemical, that is ephedrine. 10th question is Amomum sabulatum is a source of. So actually this Amomum sabulatum is a Sthul Ela. That our Suksham Ela is Elateria cardamomum, and the Sthul Ela is Amomum sabulatum. So right answer will be the option C. Match the following for Ritu Haritaki. This is the Ritu Haritaki, and for this I am giving you one trick. You can remember like PM, G, Se, Shart, Suno. So you have to write this mnemonic, and side of this you can write the Ritu in like in season accordingly. For example, we can start with Shishira, then Vasanta came, then come Garishma, after that Varsha came, after this Sharad will come, then come Hemanta. So Pise is go to Pippali. In Shishira you have to take Haritaki with Pippali. M stand for Madhu. G is for Good. Se is Sendvam. Shars is Sharkara. And Shu se ho jayega Sundi. So here you can match for Varsha Ritu, we need Sendva. So A is goes with 4, and when you select the single option you can get your right answer. Matsya Shakla is a synonym of. Matsya Shakla is actually the synonym of Katuki, and it's having a botanical name Pycorrhiza crua. Select the incorrect statement. Dried fruit of Maricha possesses Tikshna Guna. Is this a correct statement? Dried fruit of Maricha possesses Sita Guna. No. Piperine is present in Maricha. Okay. Dried fruit of Maricha possesses Katuguna. Is this right? Correct. So B is the incorrect option. Next question is antidote for Vatsanaba. So Vatsanaba is comes under one of the Sthavara Visha, and for this Sthavara Visha, Tankana is considered as the antidote. Match the following for the part used. So we have to match with the part used. Karkat Shringi, you know only the one drug that we are using, gals. So we have to match B with the A option. So right answer will be the C option. Source of plant of Ahifena. So Ahifena is one of the CNS depressant drug that is the source of morphine, codeine, etc. So it is Papaver somniferum, जो Papaver family से belong करता है. Yavanica is a synonym of. So Yavanica is a synonym of Ajamoda. Continuous use of this plant can cause amla pitta, so it is actually kulatha and it is one of the antidotes. So you can remember the is prabhava and botanical name and family. Jeerika is an ingredient of. So jeerika is an ingredient of Dashamula Katutrim Kashayam, Ashtachurnam, Ashtavargam Kashayam, Rasna Sapkachurnam. So right answer will be the Ashtachurnam. And the 20th question of first set is Shara Sreshtam is. So Shara Sreshtam is our plant Plash. You will comment what is the name of this, botanical name of this Palash. Next comes the Avalguja is a synonym of. So Avalguja is actually the synonym of Bakuchi. Following the type of the Bring Raja mentioned according to Raja Nigundu. Actually in Raja Nigundu, 3 varieties of this Bring Raja is mentioned, that is Eclipta alba, and they are basically on the color Sveta, Pita and Neela. So right answer will be the option A. Match the following Dravya with this botanical source. So now we have to match with their botanical source or botanical nomenclature. So first will be the Sveta Chanda. Sveta Chanda is your Centellum album. Arenda is your Ricinus communis. And Dhataki is your Woodfordia fruticosa. Ahifena is Papaver somniferum. You get your right answer. Which drug is Medhya? Out of this, Mandrupani is the Medhya drug. Then Rasona possesses Pancharasa except, so actually it is also Pancharasa like Haritaki and Amalki, but it is a Lavana Varjita. It is actually Amala Varjita. Right answer your is option A. Is Apis Webenia is the source of. So Apis Webenia is a source of Thalisa Patra plant. Purification of Ahifena done is. So for purification we have to titrate each with Adrak Savrasa and around 21 times. Next comes the following is the Rasa Panchika of Adraka. So Rasa Panchika is, it is a Katu Rasa, Tikshna Guna, Madhura Vipaka and Ushna Virya, and due to its Madhura Vipaka it's having a Vrishya property. Medicinal used part of the following Dravya is Niryas except. So all the 4 option, out of this 4 option, 3 having a Niryas as a useful part, but Katuki is not as used as a Niryasa. In Ahifena we will use Niryasa, Hingu we are using Niryasa, and Guglu we are also using the Niryasa. Dosage of the Madanaphala. So Madanaphala is your Rendia Dumentorum and it's belong from Rubiaceae family. Manjista also the another drug that is belonging from the same family. And for this Madanaphala it is the Vamna drug, and there are 2 doses for this. For example, one is the Shamna dose, that is 0.5 to 1 gram, and if you want to do it the Shodna, for example you are doing using it for a Vamana, then you have to take it more than this, like that is 3 to 6 gram. So right answer will be the option B. Krimi Ghana Prabhava of Krimi Ghana Karma is a Prabhava of Vidanga, that is Ambelia rives. Following are the source for the type of Jeerika according to Bhav Prakasha Nigandu. So these all are the Jeerika type like Jeerika, Kala, Jeerika, Jaji. Dash is not. Dash is one of the first ingredient in Shobananja. Shobanjanadi Lepa. So Shobanjana is actually the synonym of Shigru. So right answer will be the Shigru. Verticillester is the inflorescences. So it is the very direct question and it is found in the Tulsi. Match the following Dravya for its Pradhana Karma. And Ajamoda goes with Agni Deepak. Asti Shrangla with Bhagna Sandhanakara. Chakkar Marda is Kushtagana, and specifically Chakkar Marda is having the synonym of Dadrugana. So Dadru Kushta, it's very beneficial. And Kantakari for Kasagana. So right answer will be the A option. Write the following drug under the family Ranunculaceae. So under the family Ranunculaceae, 2 drugs are there. One is the Vatsnaba and second is the Ativisha. So right will be the C option. Next question is flower is the official part of. So flower we are using in Nagakesara. Mridu Virechana Sreshnamis. So this is the list you have to remember. Trivrit is your Sukha Virechana. Snuhi is your Tikshna Virechana Dravya. And Aragvada is Mridu Virechana. And in like Agrakarma said like Chatur Angulo Mridu Virechana Nam. Polyalthia longifera is the adulterant for which drug? So So it is the adulterant for actually your Ashoka. Next come our next 20 question. Useful part of Samanga is, so useful part of Samanga is the root. Habit of Talisapatra is the tree. What is the synonym of gingiber officinal? So it is having many synonym. Out of them, one is the Vishwa Bhejajam or Mahaoshadhi. Which Visishta Yoga has Maricha as a main ingredient? That is a Svasakutta Rasa. In R&B we studies. In this Svasakutta Rasa we have to take Maricha, and after that we have to add Ekam Kritva. So right answer will be the C option. Then what is the main karma of Vibhitiki? So Vibhitiki is having a main karma of Bhedana. So you can remember like B for Bhedana. Shvet Maricha is a seed of which plant? It is a seed of Shiguru. Due to its color, it's having a synonym of Sveta Maricha. As per Shushruta, milk cooked with the Punarnava is a very useful in Ashmari. It is one of the Ameka Prayoga of Punarnava. Dash Shangrahikam Rakta Pittam Prashamnanam. So it is regarding the Ananta or Shariva, Hemidesmus indicus. Moch Rasa is obtained from which plant? Moch Rasa is obtained from Shalmalia malabarica. Then Talisapatra is mainly effective. So Talisapatra is mainly like indicative in Kasa, Swasa, etc. So respiratory diseases. Ambashtaki is the synonym of, so Ambashtaki is actually one of the synonym of Patha, and out of this this is the Season Pallium Pariarum. Apasmaram Kafo Unmadam Bhutam Jantu Anil Harit, and this is specifically about our Vacha, Ecorus calamus, which Dravya is extensively used as an anti-diabetic, and out of this Mesha Shring is used. That's why it's having one of the synonym Madhu Vinashini. In which Dashemani Yashti Madhu is not mentioned. So Yashti Madhu actually the drug that is mentioned in like many Dashemani, like Jeevanium, Vamnopagama or Vranyam, but is not mentioned in Brahmaniam. Which rasa is not present in Rasona? And this is a repeated question, so this is an important question. And out of this, Amla is not present in Lavana, it is a Pancharasa. Stamen is the useful part of Misva Puroya. Which Dravya is known as ametic nut? So ametic nut means which causing the emesis. Arishta is your Nimba, Varshabu is your Punarnava, Shefali is your Nirgundi, Pindikam is your Madanphala, and Madanphala is known for its Vamna action, so right answer will be the D. Which Dravya have the Shita, Virya and Katu Vipaka? So Musta is having the Shita, Virya and Katu Vipaka. Rasna is dash, Rashna is having Agra Karma for Bath Haranam. Barlaria priontis is a botanical name of Seireka. Next 20 set question will be the Apium gravinolus is the botanical name of, तो it is a botanical name of Ajamoda जो कि Apiaceae family से belong करता है. Amalki is a rich with vitamin C. Krityamalakam, that is Ayurveda, you can like guess the answer. Main indication of Ashoka is a Stri Roga, that's why it's having a one of the synonyms Stri Priya. Chakramarda is indicated in Dadru, that's why it's having a one of the synonym Dadruganam. Dadima Ashtaka Churna is having the indication in like Atisara and Grahani. Botanical name of Sukshama ela is Elateria cardamomum. Part used from the plant Gokshura. Goksha is your Tribulus terrestris, so we are using the Moola and the Phala. Kanchinar Guglu is specifically indicated in Galaganda, and this Kanchinar is having a very good action on thyroid and like disease related with the thyroid, that's why it's having a synonym of Gandhari. Abhya is a synonym of, so Abhya is the synonym of Haritiki. Shetu Vriksham is a synonym of Varuna, Kriteva Nurvala. Botanical name of Vidanga is the Ambelica. They are very direct question, you can easily answer if you study the botanical name at least. Antidote of Vasnaba is the Tankana. Habit of Maricha plant is climber, it's a climber. Pradhana karma of Nagakesra as per Sharindra Samhita, it is a Pachna. Main indications of Salmali Niryasa. Actually this Salmali Niryasa is having a basonym like a red beautiful flower, and which are used for diarrhea. So Rakta Atisara is one of the main indication of the Shalmali. Botanical name of Shatabri is Asparagus racemosus. Vishwa Bhejajam is a synonym of Shundi, is also known as Mahaoshadam. Agri Karma of Basha is the Rakta Pitta Hare. And botanical name of Vibhitiki is Terminalia bellerica. So now we are ending our discussion. Hope so you are doing well. Okay, thank you guys.